Hi everyone, this is Abhishek, Customer Success Engineer in ConceptShare Connect. ConceptShare Connect is an authorized reseller of SolidWorks and 3D Experience. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Cut with Surface tool in SolidWorks. We have two bodies and two surfaces, and we want to cut these bodies using the surface tools. And more importantly, how to troubleshoot common issues you might face when using it. Let's start by going to the Surface tab. Click on the Surface tab and then select the Cut with Surface feature. Once you click on Cut with Surface, the parameters for this feature will open automatically. Now select the surface that you want to use to cut the body. Specify the direction in which you want to cut and click OK to execute the feature. Next, we have another surface and body. We will follow the same procedure to cut this body with the new surface. Here we faced an error. If you look closely, the surface is not fully intersecting with the body. To fix this, we need to modify the sketch. I have extended the line so that the sketch now fully intersects with the body. Let's go back to the Cut with Surface tool and follow the same procedure. In this video, we have seen how to use the Cut with Surface feature in SolidWorks, and also we have seen how to fix a common problem. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more SolidWorks tips and tricks.